In this video, we show you how to properly install Fenstermann shades to a tilt and turn window from uPVC. You will need a power drill and a screwdriver. Please take your shade and the mounting parts out of the clear box and place everything onto a clean surface. Take the small squared silver mounting bases and install them to your glass stop. Please line the bases up with the outside of your window sill as shown. Keep it at least 1/4 inch from the glass. Install one at a time in each corner of your window. Make sure the wings of the mounting bases faces up and are parallel to the window. Now take your shade and get it ready for the installation. Pull the mounting shoes out of the rails and unwind the cords on both sides. Untangle them if necessary. The mounting shoe with the magnet goes on the top. Hang both top mounting shoes first by sliding them over the metal bases. Make sure that the adapters for the handles are facing towards you. Now repeat the step at the bottom of your window. The last mounting shoe needs some pulling to create the required tension for the shade to work. Next, take your handles and slide them from the side over the adapters. This might require some wiggling to get them slide on. Last but not least, move your shade gently up and down to allow the cords to automatically adjust to the proper tension. If everything looks and works great, you can cut the loose end of the strings on each mounting shoe. Your shade is now ready to enjoy for many